In today's video, I am going to show you an exercise that I love for helping with scapular mobility in a gentle, supportive manner. You will need a foam roller, and if you're uncomfortable being on your stomach, you might need some padding for the front of your body and a little bit of lift for your chest or a little bit of space for your chest with a higher pillow. So, come on down to the mat with your foam roller. So we're looking to have our upper back in a little bit of extension or more of a neutral position if that feels better for you. And you want to just make sure your lower body feels super comfortable here. You are going to place your arms on your foam roller, and I like to start wide and with my palms facing each other. Find a comfortable position for your head so you're looking down at the floor. From here, you're going to think of sliding the foam or rolling the foam roller away from you. So your shoulder blades will come up towards your ears and then pulling the foam roller towards you. So your shoulder blades slide down. Elevate the shoulder blades by pushing the foam roller a little bit away and then bring them down the back. Try that a few times with arms pretty active. You're gently pressing your forearms down into the foam roller. If you tend to get pain around your shoulder blades, then this might be a great exercise to get tissues and fluid moving around the shoulder blades without too much tension. If you're feeling tension in your neck, you could always let your head rest down or lift your chin. Just want to work on finding a comfortable place that you can hold your neck in space, or you could rest your head on something. Once you've done a few repetitions here, you're going to push yourself back into a child's pose. And then from here, you're going to come down into your child's pose, making sure you rest your head and neck on something. And then take a few breaths into the back of your rib cage, into that area between your shoulder blades. And then from there, you can come up to seated. And we're done. I hope your shoulders feel great here. You're just letting the shoulder blades slide up and down as they do when you lift your arms overhead. They also upwardly and downwardly rotate. This is a nice supported way to get into this overhead reach position. Keep your arms wide just to give your shoulders some space and just to play with a little bit of shoulder blade movement in a supported fashion. I hope you're feeling great, and I'll see you in the next video.